Hello everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Jay, you are watching Tech Hype. First of all, I want to apologize to all of my viewers. I'm so sorry for being inactive. I'm not well, even right now. I'm not fully recovered. I still have fever and sore throat, so if you do feel something weird in my voice, please bear with it today. Let's get right into today's video without wasting any more time. My name is Jay and you are watching Tech Hype. So, today we are going to talk about the iOS 16.4 Beta 1. Today is the day, it is Tuesday when I am posting this video. We will have the iOS 16.4 Beta 1. Hope so, fingers crossed. If history is an indication, we may see iOS 16.4 Beta 1 today. I'm so excited for it because iOS 16.4 is expected to have some new wallpapers. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, if history is an indication, we have seen the point 4 version having some new wallpapers in it. I know you guys are excited. I'm excited as well. Turn on the notification and subscribe to this channel because I am one of the first person talking about latest betas of iOS and Apple in general. Now that I have already given the spoiler that we will see some new wallpapers, we may see. I'm not saying on the first beta we may see, but before the public release of iOS 16.4, if history is an indication, judging the history, we may see some new wallpapers in iOS 16.4. If not on the beta 1, probably on the beta 2 or 3, before the public release for sure. Let's talk about the changes that we may see on the beta 1 of iOS 16.4. The number one thing that we are going to see in the iOS 16.4 beta 1 is going to be a new architecture in HomeKit. Apple will be pushing out a new architecture of HomeKit. There has been a lot of issues in HomeKit lately, and a lot of users have reported that there are a lot of bugs and performance issues on the HomeKit app and the Home app. So the Home app is going to have some new features and some changes. In general, the HomeKit is gonna have some big changes in iOS 16.4 coming up. So all those people who are having issues with HomeKit, don't worry, it's gonna get resolved real soon. And how can we forget? Apple and privacy are two things that are in the mind whenever people talks about Apple. Privacy is immediately the second thing that they talk about. Apple and privacy is one of the key things that people love Apple about is privacy. The feature that we are going to talk about is privacy verification, this contact verification. Basically, it is coming to iMessage. Where I live in India, and in India not a lot of people use iMessage, but still there are a lot of my friends and a lot of people in my university who use iMessage on daily purpose to talk to their friends and have iMessage group chats. So this is going to be really useful. What this feature does is, for example, if someone is for example, if your device is hacked and someone is trying to talk to you from their hacked Apple ID, for example, if I'm talking to you and my Apple ID is hacked and some other person is just trying to pretend that that person is me and trying to talk to you and get information from you, your iPhone will alert that something is fishy, and this feature is really useful, and I'm really excited for this feature. I am not sure how exactly it will work. I'm really curious to see how Apple has developed it and how it will work. I will make a video on it. I will make a video on live action on it, like how it actually works. I will try to get it work and show you guys in live action how it will work if you by chance got into a situation where your Apple ID or anything like that happens to you. You will get to know about it. So turn on notification and subscribe to this channel right now. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. If you did watch this video till the end, subscribe to this channel right now. Turn on notification. We are so close to 10k and I want to get to 10k as soon as we can. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so sorry for my sore throat today. I know voice sounds a bit weird. Thank you so much for watching and bearing with me today. I will make sure to have better audio and better everything, my health and everything, when I post the next video, which will be really soon, today itself, if Apple decides to release iOS 16.4 beta 1. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Peace out and have a great day, everyone.